Growing your Amazon FBA business can feel like a serious uphill battle, especially when you're starting out. But using credit cards for growth can actually be a game changer, especially used in the correct manner. Now, I get it. Credit cards have got a bad rep because they're often associated with debt and people can get into serious trouble. But if used correctly, they can work for you, not against you. Now, whatever you hear in this video is absolutely not financial advice. But what I'm going to tell you is how I've used credit cards to help boost my Amazon FBA business and hopefully show you how you can do the same. I'll go through some of my favourite cards and what makes them a solid choice with the benefits that they provide and the perks they offer, like cashback, rewards, interest rates, and much more. So if you're ready to grow your business without the stress, let's take a deep dive into credit cards. What are the benefits of using credit cards over debit cards for payments? Firstly, interest-free credit cards. You can get interest-free credit cards that will charge you 0 interest for up to 28 months. That means you can immediately inject a huge amount of cash into your business and not have to worry about paying it off for the term of the card. That means for 28 months, you can borrow that money, recycle it through your business and make it work for you. Come the end of that time period, you simply have to pay back exactly what you borrowed with 0 interest. Now, be warned, if you don't pay it back in time, then you will obviously incur interest. However, the interest does not start to accrue until after that time period. This means many companies will basically give you money for over 2 years and all you have to do is give it back to them. When I first started Amazon FBA, I used this strategy to my advantage. Delayed payments. Credit cards allow you to make purchases and defer payments, usually 30 days, sometimes even higher. This will help you manage your cash flow. This is crucial in Amazon FBA as you're waiting for Amazon to release your funds. Reward programs. Credit cards often provide rewards like miles, points, or cashback on every purchase. Since Amazon FBA sellers are spending huge amounts of money on inventory, these rewards will soon rack up. You can travel the world for free or simply live off cashback. Credit score benefits. Using credit cards responsibly can help build your credit score. This means when the time comes, you can have much better financing options if you're looking to take a loan and expand your business even further. Enhanced security. Credit typically offer better fraud prevention or protection than a debit card will. If your card is compromised, you can dispute the charges without the worry of losing the money. This means you won't be liable for fraudulent activity and you protect your business. Larger purchases. Credit cards usually have much higher limits than a debit card would. This means you can make much larger inventory purchases or pay for tools using in your daily business without hitting your limits. Business-specific perks. Many credit cards designed for businesses will have business-specific perks like free shipping, discounts on office supplies, many other perks, and advertising costs, which are particularly useful for Amazon sellers. Financial flexibility. In emergencies or unexpected expenses, you can use your credit card to help solve that cash flow issue. Should your Amazon payments get stopped for some reason, having a credit card on hand to cover those expenses can be a lifesaver. Travel perks. When it comes to traveling, usually credit cards have all sorts of travel perks, such as lounge access, discounted car hire, and many other perks. Free upgrades, and even free flights. Why it's important to understand your expenses before using credit cards. Setting limits. Knowing your expenses helps you establish a budget. This will ensure that you don't overspend on your credit card. This is vital for maintaining cash flow, especially when running an FBA business when costs and revenue can fluctuate greatly. Timing payments. Understanding your expenses can help you predict when payments will be coming in and going out. This is especially important in an FBA business as you need to manage your inventory costs, your shipping fees, and ensuring that you don't have to dump stock in order to pay off your credit card. Inventory planning. For Amazon FBA sellers, inventory is the major cost of our business. And how much you can spend on inventory ensures you don't overextend on stock, but allows you to keep good inventory levels without having a financial strain on the business. Payment planning. Understanding your cash flow will allow you to make sure that you're not going to miss any payments and therefore incurring late fees or interest payments. Understanding profit margins. By keeping track of your expenses, you can better assess your profit margins. This is crucial for ensuring your business remains profitable in the long run. Top credit cards I recommend for Amazon FBA. Especially when starting out, I highly recommend an interest-free credit card. Companies offer all sorts of different options when it comes to interest-free credit cards. Simply Google interest-free credit card and see what options are available to you. As always, be sure to read the small print. Some companies will have interest-free for 22 months, 26 months, 28 months. Some will have that, but only on purchases made in the first 60 days. So there are slight variations, so just make sure you know exactly what you're getting yourself into. When it comes to my day-to-day business, there are two credit cards that I use and can recommend: the American Express Platinum card and the Capital on Tap card. They've truly made a positive impact on my business. Let's take a look to see how they stand out. American Express Platinum card benefits. Earn 5 membership rewards points for every £1 or $1 spent on flights booked directly with airlines or through American Express Travel. Earn 1 point for every £1 or $1 spent on other purchases. Access to over 1,300 airport lounges worldwide through the Priority Pass program. Comprehensive travel insurance and hotel loyalty benefits, including complimentary room upgrades at over 1,000 hotels. Includes purchase protection and extended warranty coverage on eligible items. No foreign transaction fees, making it ideal for sourcing products internationally. Carries an annual fee of £575 or $695, but the value from its perks often outweighs this cost. For me personally, the flights, the upgrades, and the hotels are what makes this card amazing. It allows me and my family to travel the world at relatively little cost. If you're a traveller and an Amazon FBA seller and you're not using this credit card, then you are missing out in a big way. Capital on Tap card benefits. Offers a high credit limit, which is beneficial for financing inventory purchases and managing business operations without straining cash flow. Provides a flat rate of 1.5% cashback on all purchases, making it easy to earn rewards regardless of what you buy. Unlike many business credit cards, it doesn't require a personal guarantee, protecting your personal credit score while you grow your business. Offers flexibility in payment terms, helping you manage cash flow effectively, which is crucial for an Amazon FBA business with variable income. Unlike the American Express card, Capital on Tap is usually accepted everywhere. American Express can sometimes not be accepted, so that's where the Capital on Tap card comes into its own. How can you earn points or cashback where these cards aren't accepted? PayPal. This is a widely used service which most shops and online stores will now use. By simply linking your credit cards to your PayPal account, you can now use these cards for your purchases. This means you can still earn the rewards even if that store doesn't accept those credit cards. Buy store gift cards. Many retailers will sell their own gift cards on other websites or in the physical stores. This means that if you want to use a store that doesn't accept your credit card, you can actually buy a gift card using your credit card, rack up those points, and then use the gift card to make the physical purchase. Rewards portals. Some credit card companies have their own shopping portals where you can buy gift cards and make your purchases even more rewarding. A good example of this would be something like Top Cashback. In this video, I discuss the benefits of using a credit card over a debit card, why it's vitally important that you understand your expenses before using a credit card, and the top credit cards that I recommend and use for my Amazon FBA business. I also covered how you can earn rewards and cashback at stores that don't accept your credit cards. If you have any questions or want to chat about anything, please leave a comment below or contact me on my socials that can be found in the description. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.